Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and welcome back to our digital clock series. So we looked at which module we're going to be using. First, to get everything going, we're going to be using the Tkinter module. So we poked around in there a little bit. So let's bring it in, because today we're going to look at how in the world to just get the window going, the very first thing. So import Tkinter as TK. So we do this, and then we looked at it a little bit, and we saw dir on TK. And like I said, we looked around and we saw a lot of stuff. But there's this capital TK. So let's look at this. Help on TK dot capital TK. Not the same. Not the same at all, not even close. Forgot in Spider, it does not show everything. So we need to run dir on tk.tk. So what we're doing here is the TK object. Then these are all everything we can do with it. So the very first thing we have to do, let me see if I can do my alphabet. The very most basic thing we can do is to then create this object. So then everything we do with this object, we can then do stuff to. So let's just, no, I said a lot there, but did you see how I also grabbed main loop? So all right, I'm going to create a win object for my window. Then tk.tk. So here's my object right here. Then I would run, well, let's put this in. Then let me run dir on win. So what is everything I can then do? So as you can look, it's the exact same thing because it is a object of this class. So we get that. Then I'm going to do help on win dot main loop. So what does this do? Okay, call the main loop in TK. All right, so win dot main loop. So the reason why I like to do this is the creation and this is the running. So I do the bookends. I'm a huge fan of doing the bookends and then filling in the blanks, because we could just go through and do all the code and you'd be like, yeah, okay, and then you get down here and then you leave this out and then you say, this isn't working, this isn't broken, because guess what? It's exactly what I did. So start with what you know works and then build upon it, fill in the blanks, and go from there. So this is literally what we're going to do. So now we're going to run this. And as we can see, now the reason why we had 2 is I ran this without calling the main loop. So that's why 2 popped up. So let's do this again. So now this is the most basic default because this doesn't know what to call this. So this is a Tkinter object. TK throws it right up there. I did not say how big I wanted this window, so it defaults to a certain size. I did not say where I wanted this window to open, so it defaults to a certain location. So there are already defaults built in for you, and we're going to tinker around, bring things in, because right now this is just a bare bones basic window we haven't done anything with. But we've told Python and our operating system that, hey, I know what I'm doing. I'm building a window. I want you to now pull it and put it on the screen. So there we go. That is step 1. So next video, we're going to bring in time, create a little function, and then we're going to toy around with the colors and the display and what we're actually going to do. So it's a very, very small little program, but it is a great detailed program where you do have to pay attention to everything and have the layout be, because it's time, so it has to be the layout that you want it to be. And we need to look into the time module, and the time module and anything dealing with time and computers can be very tricky. So that's also one of the reasons why I like this. So there we go. This is how you create your first window using Tkinter. There you go, guys. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure you're hitting those like, subscribe, the Discord button, and jumping over there. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.